Alright, in this video I want to talk about how to change Cocopod versions. Been having to do this a lot at work because we have two different branches of our code base that are using different versions of Cocoapods. Like there's a newer branch and then there's like an older branch, and at some point they're both going to use the same version. But right now I'm having to bounce back and forth a lot. I want to make this video to kind of show how to do that. I don't know if this is the best way to do it, but this is how I have been doing it. So if we say pod -- version, you can see I'm using 1.10.2. This other branch that I'm on right now, what did it say it wants me to use? It wants me to use 1.11.3. So what we can do, and like I said, I don't know if this is the best way to do it, but I've just been doing this. Sudo gem uninstall Cocoapods. And we'll get rid of the version we don't want to be using, and now we're going to change the version that we do want. Sudo gem install Cocoapods, and it's -v, and then the version that you want to use. So I want to be using 1.11.3 for work. Do pod -- version. And now I'm using 1.11.3. So that's it. If you want to uninstall, sudo gem uninstall Cocoapods, then install the version that you want. And you can go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It's fine. And then sudo gem install Cocoapods -v, and then put the version number. And that's it.